In this video, I'll show you how to use different wallpapers for your iPhone lock screen and home screen. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, go to your lock screen by pressing the power button or opening the notification center. Now press and hold anywhere on the lock screen until the wallpaper gallery appears. Tap the plus button to create a new wallpaper. Choose the wallpaper you want for your lock screen. You can select a photo from your gallery or choose one of Apple's built-in wallpapers. After selecting your wallpaper, you can customize it by changing the clock style, adding widgets, or adjusting other effects. When you're finished, tap Add in the top right corner. Instead of tapping Set as Wallpaper Pair, choose Customize Home Screen. Now select Photo and choose a different or the same image for your home screen. You can also choose a color, gradient, or blur effect if you prefer. Once you're happy with your home screen wallpaper, tap Done. That's it. Your lock screen and home screen now have different wallpapers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials.